स्पेशियस लिविंग एरिया जहां पर आपका बेड प्लेस हो सकता है, स्पेशियस किचन एरिया जो कि बना है एल शेप प्लेटफॉर्म से, वाइड एंड स्पेशियस सेकंड मास्टर बेडरूम जहां पर आप बेड। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू हाउसी। टुडे we'll be doing the sample flat tour of Arcade Eden by Arcade, located at off SV Road, Sundarnagar, Malad West, Mumbai. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. This is the sales office and the actual tower. Now, first one is the project overview, but before that, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms whereby if you just do an inquiry, your number gets shared with multiple brokers, resulting in lots and lots of call. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home right now with your favorite developer through Housey. Let's talk about the project overview. This project will be constructed over 0.75 acres of land parcel having one tower. Each tower having two wings, G plus one level of the podium, 20-story residential floors with premium residencies of 2 and 3 BHK. Let's discuss about the location and connectivity part. This project is located at off SV Road, Sundarnagar, Malad West, Mumbai. Talking about connectivity, D-Mart is 1.7 km, Metro is 1.7 km and Malad railway station is just 1.8 km from the project. Let's talk about the amenities part. This project has 20 plus luxurious amenities with the likes of swimming pool, senior citizen sit-out area, kids play area, gymnasium, indoor games and many more. We'll be doing a sample flat tour of 3 BHK 1023 square feet carpet area. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, this is the entrance of the sample flat. आते ही आप देख सकते हो काफ़ी अच्छा entrance space है. That is the foyer area, जहाँ पर आप shoe rack और अच्छे से decorative चीज़ों के साथ अपना entrance काफ़ी spacious बना सकते हो. Not only this, let me take you to the wide and a spacious living area, जहाँ पर आपका sofa, chairs, comfortably आप अपना family time enjoy कर सकते हैं. Showing you the wide and a spacious window जो आपको देता है serene living, lighting and ventilation purpose. Showing you the dining space जो काफ़ी spacious है. 8 to 10 people आराम से बैठ के अपना lunch and dinner अच्छे से enjoy कर सकते हैं. And this is the attached balcony जो कि आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी wide है. French windows with again the anti-skid tiling with 3-sided cupboard. Showing you the kitchen area. Come inside. So ये है आपका spacious kitchen area जो कि बना है L shape platform से. आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी spaces है जहाँ पर आप बना सकते हो upper and lower cabinets as per your choice and requirement. Showing you the wide and a spacious window for lighting, ventilation and serene living. अब मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ ये space for the washing machine जहाँ पर आप ये स्पेस को यूटिलाइज कर सकते हो फॉर स्टोरिंग पर्पस ऑल्सो. अब हम जा रहे हैं हमारा कॉमन वॉशरूम देखने हैं. दिस इज द कॉमन वॉशरूम विद एंटी स्किड टाइलिंग, CP Centric high-end fittings, designer vitrified tiling as a part of a furnishing जो कि आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी स्पेशियस है. Taking you to the common bedroom. Come on. So this is the common bedroom which is wide and spacious. यहाँ पर आपका bed place हो सकता है and this is a wide window for the lighting, ventilation and serene living. यहाँ पर आपको space मिलता है for your wardrobe. आप चाहो अपने सारे clothes and accessories अच्छे से place on कर सकते हो. Taking you to the master bedroom. Come on. This is the first master bedroom. Entry करते ही आप देख सकते हो कितना wide and spacious है. You can keep your bed here. And यहाँ पर भी आपको मिलता है wide window for the ventilation and lighting. And this is the place you can utilize it for the niche wardrobe. Taking you to the attached washroom with anti-skid tiling, CP Centric high-end fittings, vitrified tiling as part of the furnishing. taking you to the second master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what Housey provides you. It gives you actual location tours, sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, payment schemes, EMI schedule, 360-degree location tour, all this under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule a site visit soon. Now moving ahead towards the second master bedroom. This is the wide and spacious second master bedroom जहां पर आप bed place कर सकते हैं. This is a wide and spacious window for the lighting, for the view and for the serene living. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं काफी अच्छा space है for the wardrobe again. Showing you the attached washroom with anti-skid tiling, CP-Century high-end fittings, vitrified tiling as part of the furnishing. So everyone, this was the entire sample flat tour of 3 BHK 1023 square feet carpet area of Arcade Eden by Arcade Developer located at Off SV Road, Sundarnagar, Malad West, Mumbai. For more such videos, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to Housey. Do not forget to go on the website www.housey.com. Thank you so much.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.